Ever fumble for cash or tickets right before boarding a GO train? There's an easier way. This is your Presto card, your key to seamless travel on GO Transit. First things first, make sure your card has enough funds. You can load funds online through the Presto website or app, at a Presto machine at most GO stations, or at participating retail locations like Shoppers Drug Mart. When you arrive at your station, tap your Presto card on a Presto reader before boarding your train. This is called a tap-on. You'll usually find the readers near the entrance to the platform. The screen will confirm your tap with a checkmark or a message like tap successful. Remember to listen for the beep. When you arrive at your destination, it's crucial to tap off. Locate the Presto reader on the platform or near the station exit and tap your card again. This ensures you're charged the correct fare for your trip. The reader will display the fare deducted and your remaining balance. And that's it. You're now a Presto Pro. Enjoy stress-free GO train travel.